The Dandy paint edging system consists of a scraper and two guards. One is much longer than the other. Most of you will be very familiar with this type of scraper. It's the one that you would sort of buy anywhere, and what you'll notice with it is that the blade, the scraper blade, comes beyond the edge of the scraper. Now the result of that is that when you try to scrape alongside a piece of wood, this corner actually undercuts the wood. With our scraper, you just take off the cover. What you'll notice is that the blade is actually behind the edge of the scraper. And what that means is that when you actually come up against the side of the glass and you start to scrape, you can see that there's a small bead of paint left all the way along the side of the glass. What that does is it seals the wood against any moisture that might run in off the glass. That stops this wood swelling and eventually rotting. And there's two little beads here, which means that you can push right up to the corner of the timber and there isn't any problem with you undercutting the wood. And you now have a nice clean bead all the way along the edge of the window. You'll notice that on the leading edge of the guard, there's a small protrusion at the end. This keeps this guard away from the timber that you're painting against. And then on the back, there's also another small protrusion, and this keeps the flat piece off the glass that you're painting against. So using the guard, push it up against the wood and you'll see that the edge is held clear of the timber, and then you simply paint in there, like so. You take that away and what you can see is there's a nice neat line all the way along the edge of the glass, which is protecting the wood from the moisture that might come from the glass. And of course all you do is you simply move it along. Now every now and again just check to make sure there's no paint behind the nodules. If there is, just clean it off and you carry on. Put your second one on there, you move your way up. You can see there we're just continuing the line all the way down.